No stress. 7 easy school hairstyles that last all week. Back to school 2026. Have you ever woken up in the morning already tired, knowing you still have to do hair before school? Here, rushing? The kids are not sitting still. Time is going, and somehow, the hairstyle you spent 30 minutes on yesterday is already looking rough. If that sounds familiar, then this video is exactly what you need. Because today, I'm going to show you 7 easy school hairstyles that are not only beautiful, but they actually last all week. Yes, no daily stress, no constant redoing, no frustration. These styles are perfect for busy moms, students, and anyone who wants to look neat, stylish, and put together without spending hours every morning. And make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also share simple tips that will make any hairstyle last longer, even up to 7 days. Now let's get into it. Style number 1, the sleek, low ponytail. This is one of the easiest and most underrated hairstyles for school. But don't underestimate it when done properly. It looks very clean, very polished, and very expensive. Start by gently brushing the hair back. Use a little styling gel or edge control to smooth the front and sides. Make sure the hair is neatly gathered at the nape of the neck, then secure it with a strong hairband. Now here's the trick that makes it last all week. Wrap a small section of hair around the base to hide the band. This gives it that neat, finished look. If you want, you can braid the ponytail or leave it straight. This style can last 3 to 5 days icely, especially if you tie it at night. And it's perfect for both kids and older students. Style number 2, neat straight back cornrows. Now this one is a classic, and for a good reason. Cornrows are one of the best protective styles for school because they last long, they stay neat, and they reduce daily manipulation. You can go for simple straight backs or add a little design to make it more stylish. The key here is neatness. Make sure the parts are clean and the braids are not too tight. You want it to be comfortable, especially for kids. You can add beads at the ends for a more playful look, or keep it simple for a more mature style. This hairstyle can last up to 1 to 2 weeks with proper care. And honestly, this is one of the best no-stress styles you can ever do for school. Style number 3, double puff style. If you're looking for something cute, quick, and natural, this is it. The double puff is perfect for natural hair and requires very little effort. Simply part the hair into 2 sections, left and right. Use a brush and a little gel to smooth each section. Then secure with bands to create 2 puffs. Fluff the puffs to make them full and even. You can also add cute accessories like bows or clips. This style is especially great for younger kids. It can last about 2 to 3 days, and you can easily refresh it without starting all over. Style number 4, braided ponytail. Now this is where we start upgrading the look a little. Instead of a regular ponytail, you braid the ponytail itself. Start with a neat ponytail, high or low depending on your preference. Then divide the hair into 3 sections and braid it all the way down. Secure the ends with a band. This style is simple, but it looks very put together. It also prevents tangling and keeps the hair protected throughout the week. You can even add extensions if you want a longer, fuller look. Style number wool, twist style. Twists are another amazing option for school. They're gentle on the hair, easy to install, and they last long. You can do 2-strand twists all over the head or just in sections. Apply a little leave-in conditioner or cream, then twist the hair neatly. The smaller the twists, the longer they last. This style can last up to a week or more. And the best part? When you take it down, you get a beautiful twist-out style. So it's like getting 2 hairstyles in one. Style number 6, beaded braids. This is a favorite for many kids and even teens. Braids with beads are fun, stylish, and very practical for school. You can do simple individual braids or combine them with cornrows, then add beads at the ends for that extra beauty. The beads also help to keep the braids stretched and neat. This style can last up to 2 weeks if properly maintained. Just make sure the beads are not too heavy, especially for younger children. Style number 7, low bun style. And finally, we have the low bun. This is perfect for a clean, elegant, and very low maintenance look. Brush the hair back, gather it at the nape, and twist it into a bun. Secure it with pins or a band. You can make it sleek or slightly loose depending on your style. This is perfect for older students or even moms. It's simple, classy, and very easy to maintain. Now, before you go, let me share some very important tips that will make your hairstyles last all week. Tip number 1. Always tie the hair at night. Use a satin scarf or bonnet to protect the hair while sleeping. This reduces frizz and keeps the style neat. Tip number 2. Moisturize lightly. Dry hair gets messy faster. Use a light spray or leave-in conditioner to keep the hair fresh. Tip number 3. Avoid too much touching. The more you touch the hair, the faster it gets rough. So try to leave it alone as much as possible. Tip number 4. Use the right hair products. Good gel edge control and oils make a big difference. They help keep everything smooth and in place. Now tell me in the comments, which of these hairstyles is your favorite? Is it style 1、2、3、4、5、6 or T? I'd really love to know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with another busy mom or student who needs this. Also, if you want to upgrade your overall look and start dressing classy and expensive effortlessly, make sure you check out my luxury style guide in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.